Hello, I am Soumya Rajan Sahu. I am a Biotech student. I have done my graduation in agriculture at CC University Cuttack. Then through CUT National Exam, I have done my post graduation in agricultural biotechnology at Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute, which is situated at Narendrapur, Kolkata. Then during the dissertation period, I have done work in DNA isolation, PCR and agar gel electrophoresis, and I have so much confident in these techniques. Then after the completion of my master program, I was so much stressed at that time. I always thinking about how I would get the job update every time and where I should apply for getting the job. Then fortunately, I found Biotecnika and I got enrolled in their Biotecnika job placement and assessment course. My experience so far has been so positive, and then the job alert in Biotecnika has been very positive, and they're keeping me latest job biotech opportunities in WhatsApp group. Then they have both cover government and private sector job openings, which is saving my time and effort for searching from multiple resources. Thank you.